In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gemini AI shortcuts in Google Chrome with a fast trick. If you've been looking to streamline your browsing experience and prefer a little less intrusion from AI tools, this guide is for you. Let's get started and dive right in. First, you want to open your Google Chrome browser. We'll start by heading over to Google. Once your browser is open, look over to the upper right corner. You'll see three small dots arranged vertically. These are known as the Chrome menu, and they're your gateway to a host of settings and options that will allow you to customize your browsing experience. Click on that menu and you'll see a drop-down list appear. Scroll through the options and find the one labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new tab where you have access to all the settings for your Chrome browser. In this Settings tab, we have a lot of areas that we could explore, but today we're going to focus on disabling those pesky Gemini AI shortcuts. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar where you have the various categories of settings. Here, we're interested in the section called Search Engine, so find and click on that. Once you're in the search engine settings, there's another option you need to select, which is Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Clicking this will bring up a page where you can manage and edit your default search engines, as well as any site-specific searches. Now that you're here, let's scroll through and look for any entry related to Google Gemini or Gemini AI in the Site Search section. You might have to go through the list carefully, as there can be various entries you've accumulated over time. But don't worry, once you spot the Gemini AI shortcut, you're almost there. You'll notice next to the Gemini AI entry, there's another set of those three little dots. Go ahead and click on those. A small menu will emerge with a few options, and what you're going to do here is select Deactivate. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Gemini AI shortcuts in your Google Chrome. This small change can make a big difference in streamlining your browsing experience, keeping it free from any unwanted shortcuts. Remember, if you ever want to reactivate them or make further tweaks, you can always come back to these settings. Keeping control over your browser helps tailor your internet usage more closely to your preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy browsing!